Erez, thanks so much for doing the interview with me. You have just started at Phenome Networks. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Can you tell me a little bit about your company?
Of course. First of all, myself, thank you so much for this. I enjoy being here and I'm enthusiastic. And I'm happy to introduce you to Phenome Networks. We're a software solution company specifically for the breeders and variety testing solution. And we're actually today the global leader in this field. It's a platform that was designed by breeders for breeders. And what we do, we actually gather, store, and manage the huge amounts of data that is always generated in this field. Now, we enable the researchers to actually gain knowledge from all this data.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that seems like an enormous amount of data. How do you keep track of all those data?
Well, it is enormous. And what we do is, first of all, we enable the researchers to gather the information. We have a mobile app that works perfectly online or offline on any mobile device. So you can gather all the information that you need. And from our research, we actually show that when people are using our software, our mobile app, they gather more information, they take more pictures, so the researchers have more to work with. Then we store all this ginormous amounts of data on the cloud. We work with Amazon Web Services. So all the information is stored, secured. It can never be breached. It's we make sure that it's never lost, and it's accessible to the researchers whenever they have internet connection. That's all they need. And lastly, we provide all types of analytical tools that can actually allow the researchers to gain the knowledge from that data.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Great. But it is, plant breeders, it's become much more a multidisciplinary activity with, data being generated by different departments.
Of course.
Why should plant breeders be using your software?
Well, that's a great question, Marcel. Thank you for asking. And I'll tell you this. First of all, I never want to badmouth anybody else, and I don't want to brag about our services. It's not the way we do business. What I can tell you is, on the one hand, our software is completely modular. So we can allow companies to grow with us as their needs grow. And on the other hand, it's also completely customizable. So each company that works with us actually gets a custom-made, custom-fit software. And to prove that, actually, a lot of the big companies, the global companies, are already working with us, or better yet, moving to our system from the competitors, which says to us that we're doing something right.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, absolutely. But I also know that there are other companies offering breeding software. What sets your software apart from your competition?
Well, I'll tell you this. Number one, we put a lot of emphasis on advanced solutions. So we have artificial intelligence-based algorithms that assist the breeders to reach their goal earlier, saves them time and, of course, money. And also, one of the things that we put our focus on is our customer service and our customer support and customer success teams, which is actually the largest department in our company. And we allow companies to integrate into our system completely seamlessly. They can integrate all their existing data into our software without any problems. And then, as I said, grow with us as they grow. Mm-hmm. And all of that together made us the global leader that we are today.
Fantastic, fantastic. But of course, I realize that you cannot stay at a standstill, mm-hmm. because we have a saying in the Netherlands, if you stand still, it's basically going backwards. Do you have any exciting innovations in the pipeline?
Well, there's several, not too many that I can share with you today. I apologize. But it's funny that you mentioned that you are from the Netherlands. We actually partnered with a company from the Netherlands called Kijin. Mm-hmm. And we already have a working module that offers artificial intelligence aided algorithm that helps the breeder. So this is, I think, one route where we see this industry going in the future. And we are working hard to produce more and more such modules. And the other side is, as I mentioned, the customer success. We are working on refining the customer success parameters to make sure that our customers are happy with our services and their expectations from us are always met and exceeded.
Mm-hmm. Sounds great. Fantastic. Good luck with that, Erez.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.